Hey everyone, are you missing specific events from your iPhone calendar or did you accidentally delete an entire calendar? Don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to restore your deleted calendar data. Let's get started. First, let's make sure your calendar is properly syncing with iCloud. Open the Settings app on your phone and tap on your profile name at the very top. Next, tap on iCloud and right next to Save to iCloud and tap See All. Scroll down to Calendar, tap on it and make sure Use on this iPhone is turned on. If that's already on and your calendar is still missing, it's time for step 2. Open your Safari browser and head over to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple account, and once you are in, tap the icon at the top right corner, scroll down until you see Data Recovery. Tap on that, then select Restore Calendars. You will see a list of archive version by data. Tap restore next to the one you want, then confirm. Now if it's still not working, here is the final workaround. Go back into your iPhone settings, scroll all the way down and tap on S. From there, find and tap on Mail, then tap Accounts. Select your email account, for example Gmail. If you see a toggle for calendar, turn it off and select Delete from my iPhone. Wait a couple of seconds, then turn it back on. This will force a fresh resync of all your calendar data. Finally, open your calendar app, tap the calendar icon at the bottom center and make sure the checkbox next to your calendar are turned on. And that's it, your missing calendar should now be restored. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.